And welcome to the review room today, where we're going to be talking about the Meta glasses. Stick around, come back, and I'll tell you what I think about these and see if you should get a pair yourself. Welcome back to the review room. I'm Jim.
And I'm Brita.
And we're going to be talking about the Meta glasses from Ray-Ban today. We've had these, well, I've had these for about the last 6 months. Brita has a different set of her own. Only thing I really do not like about it is the color. They're brown. And I prefer black, but this is the only color they had at the time when I got these that were polarized, and I'm not going to waste money on glasses that aren't. And we had to be matchy-matchy. So, that being said, I got this color, which I will probably trade them in for a black set this year. But as far as that's only cosmetics, as far as the glasses themselves, I like them. And I think you may have wished you got you a set instead of the ones you got. Or are you happy?
Well, I like my glasses. I think they look really good. But I do wish that I had the Meta as well.
So I see us having a couple upgrades coming up. Maybe we can matchy-matchy in black. You think? Is that possible? I'd like that. So anyway, about the glasses.
Do you know how many pair of black glasses you have?
I have a lot of glasses.
That's why you got the brown.
You know, and this brings me to another subject, not to get off track here. I like Ray-Ban, and they're great glasses. But I like Maui Jim better. I think the glass...
I love Maui Jim glasses.
The glass is just clear. They're just better glasses. And I love these Metas, but if I had to go between the Meta and the Ray-Ban, I would probably go... with the Maui Jim or the Ray-Ban. I would go with the Maui Jim just for the clearness of the glass and how crystal clear it is. They're great. But that being said, we're talking about Ray-Bans today.
But I do like mine as well. They're heavy. They haven't scratched. I mean, I'm prone to scratch my glasses.
She does.
And you can return them within a year to get a new pair if anything happens with them. So.
And we got the insurance with it, so we definitely can upgrade within a year, which is a nice thing that they allow you to do. You know, so as far as these glasses go, they're good. These are polarized. I like them. They have the built-in camera with 12 megapixel and 180 video. The hands-free calling and voice commands. They have the open-ear speaker for music and audio, which I really like. You put them on. I mean, there's like in-ear glasses. You don't really notice the lenses on either side. I just took a picture. And if I were to do a video, it's a long press, and now you're taking a video.
So that's what I didn't like was it had that little button there on the side of the glass, which I didn't like. If you look at mine, they don't have it, you know. So that is why I chose not to get the Meta glasses, which is really kind of dumb.
But I don't think they're that noticeable, to be honest. But they are there. If you look close to them, you will see the camera lenses there. Now, that being said, you can't be a pervert with these because when you do take a picture or do a video, a light will come on the right side, I believe.
So people will know that you're taking a video.
Right. So they'll know you're not creeping around taking videos and stuff. So it's obvious. But yeah, I've taken video. I'll put some up here. The videos I've taken this summer, probably riding a bike, and let you see what they're not as good as the phone's going to be or a camera, but they're glasses. And just for making some shots and stuff and memories and capturing. Actually, the one barista or server that was there in Florida, she wanted to get a set for her volleyball so she could have a first-person perspective while she was doing that. So they're good glasses. As far as the case, you get a nifty little case there that pops open, glasses go in, and they charge in here. Has a little light there in the front, as you can probably see, lighting up because they're almost dead. And they have a, whoop, there we go. And they have a plug, and they're very durable. And they have a plug in the bottom to plug in, just a regular Michael
And if you just get the regular glasses, they give you the same case, basically, except there's no charging port in it, so.
Yeah.
So they still look great. You know, it's still a great glass, but they were the same price. I mean, the Metas were $30 more. Mine were $299. His were $329. And if you get the, I don't know, they have a new product out for the Metas. I think they're $379 is the max price that I saw online today.
So definitely an upgrade coming from me. I'm going to keep a pair of them because I think they're handy and they're nice. And I like the features that they do have. Of course, I'm kind of a techie, so I like all the new stuff coming out. But like I said, and as she mentioned the case, the one thing, so this is kind of a trade-off here. Ray-Ban, you get nice cases. and Maui Jim, I think, are better glasses, but their cases are the little fold-up black ones now. What the heck are they doing?
Yeah,
I don't
they're
know.
kind of chintzy. I saved my old cases because I like their old cases
I do.
better.
Oh, the cases are better, and that's kind of a pet peeve of mine. I like to have a good case. I'm gonna spend $300 for glasses. I want to have them protected. So
And I think we both are on like 5, 6 pair of sunglasses. So
yeah, we got more than we need laying around here. So I guess the bottom line is, do I think they're worth $329? Well, if they are to you, it is. If you want a good pair of glasses, they're great for the glass part. You got the video, you got the audio, you got the camera in it.
or even if you just want plain sunglasses, these are really great glasses to have.
You can't go wrong with Ray-Ban, and the Metas, I would say, is definitely worth it if you want to get it. Please like and subscribe, and we'd love it if you'd share, and stay tuned to our next video at the Review Room.